maybe yours has this style headlight. It has the cover on like this and goes in here. So you get your bulb here. I don't know if I'm going to do this with two hands, but it still has that notch. And that notch is going to fit right in this side. You can see it's lower there. I wasn't able to do it one-handed, but you can see how that fits right in that little groove. There's only two ways to do this because of the way it's set up. It's either going to be on this side or the other side. But it goes on this side, it's going to fit better. And then you put it back in its socket in a half turn. Make sure it's always seated right. Which I can't get the camera in there to even show you.